Hello, welcome to Lavender Arts and Crafts. My name is Lisa, and I wanted to come on here and do a short video to give you guys an update and to do a little show and tell. I haven't done any craft videos since December, but I have been creating things. In the winter, I was doing some winter landscapes with watercolor. I also taught a group of people how to do this acrylic daisy painting. That was at a painting party, so that was a lot of fun. But my big new thing I've been preoccupied with is I am learning how to crochet. It all started when I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw an ad for a crochet club where you could make this really cute Afghan. And so as I was scrolling through there, I thought, wow, too bad I don't know how to crochet. And then I thought, I should learn how to crochet. So that's what I did. I went on YouTube and watched some videos on how to do a granny square. That's what I started with. And so I made some granny square pillows that I want to show to you. This is my art studio, and I have a couch in here with a variety of pillows, and that's where I decided to keep the granny square pillows. So this one is the first one that I made. I did a bunch of different granny squares and then used white as my background color and joined them all together. And then this is the second one I made. It's just one giant granny square, and there's a different one on the other side that I joined together. And then this final one, I'm still working on this one, but it's also a giant granny square that I've turned on the diagonal. And when it's large enough, I'm going to join the ends on the back side. So once I mastered the standard granny square and did several granny square pillows, I came across another video that had a granny square with a daisy in it, and then another one that was a granny square with a heart. So I wanted to learn how to do those, and I did. So look at how cute these are. I did a bunch of them in all different colors. And these are joined together. This is going to be a steering wheel cover for my car. I drive a VW Beetle, and I thought this would be the perfect accessory for my car. I left the ends of the yarn from when I joined these together, and that's what I'm going to use to tie it onto my steering wheel. So the point of this whole video is, if there's a skill or craft that you've always wanted to try, do it, try it. You might discover that you're good at it and you really like it. So I hope this encourages you, and have a great week. Bye-bye.